Hey, I just started learning Python, and for the next 50 days, I'll be solving 50 LeetCode problems. I'll get 30 minutes each problem. If I can't solve it, I'll accept the defeat, and at the end of each video, I'll be scoring myself on my personal scoreboard of shame. Let's start with day 2. Today's problem is 66 plus 1. I'm gonna give it a read first, and then we'll get into it. So from what I understand, we are gonna be given a list of, for example, 4, 2, 1. This means this number is 421, and what we have to return is 421 plus 1, which would be 422. We will be returning a list of 422. Seems simple enough. We'll have to convert this list into integer, and then for the integer we'll be doing plus 1, and then we'll be returning it as a list. And for this I'll be using join, and then from there we'll do plus 1, and then we will make a list of the number. Okay, you can join integers. So first of all, I'll be converting them into strings. Then I'll have to convert them again into integers. I'll be using map string digits. This seems simple enough. So what I have done here is I'm converting the digits, each digit into a string first, because to join them we'll have to convert them to string, and then to add 1 to them we'll have to convert them to integer. So we get the larger integer with added 1, and then for the digits in that integer that we have to return, I'm gonna be putting them into a new result list, and I'll be converting each string into integer again. It's a lot of conversion. Let's try if this works. Oh, forgot to close this one. Nice, it worked. Then let's submit this, and it worked. Beats 100%. Nice. I got this working in like less than 10 minutes. Yesterday I spent 2 hours, and they all are marked as same easy problems. Let's mark today's solution on our scoreboard of shame. Plus 1 is completed. I would say accidental genius. It was quite chill. Please like, please subscribe. I'll be doing merge sorted array tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.